Now, one thing to keep in mind is that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. And what's even better than that is that Google owns YouTube. So instantly you just maximize your traffic that easy. Now, YouTube has over 2 billion active monthly users, right? So that's a lot of people hitting their platform on a consistent basis. Now, when I looked at the data on Google, and I'm gonna actually show you this here in a minute when we jump on the computer. When I looked at the data for Google, they had over 80 billion site visits, right? So just think about the opportunity there, right? So you're gonna really be able to position yourself in front of the right people, so that won't be an issue for you when it comes to YouTube. Now let's talk about another thing. YouTube has long-term search traffic. So what does that mean? That means that you could put up a video today and that video could stay up for 6 months, a year, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years, right? I still got videos right now that generate views consistently every day. Also, it generates income. Also, it generates new leads for my business. And the same things can actually happen to you once you actually learn the skills and actually start using YouTube as a way for you to generate leads. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna jump on the computer and I'm gonna actually show you the data and what I was talking about earlier. All right, so the website we on right now is called SimilarWeb. So SimilarWeb, what it does is it analyzes websites and it looks at the amount of traffic they're getting and it pulls a whole lot of other data, which is actually pretty cool. But I just want to use this to show you what I was talking about versus me actually just putting something out there and just hoping that you believe it. All right, so let's actually look at the data. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type right here, I'm gonna type YouTube in there, and then I'm gonna go right here to youtube.com. All right, so as you can see right here, it says #2 search engine in the world. Now, if you look right here, it says total visits. It says 32.7 billion in the month of October. That's where the data is coming from. If I actually went to YouTube, it would actually pull that up and show it. So that's the data that I was looking at. All right, now let's actually go here and we're gonna put in Google. Now, if I type in Google, and I come over here and I look at the data, you can see the #1 search engine, right? So you can see that's a ton of traffic. So that's what's happening when you leverage a website like YouTube, and then also at the same time, because Google owns YouTube, you can leverage both of those platforms, which is extremely powerful. Now that you know why YouTube's the best place to build your email list, watch this next video where I show you step by step how to automate your YouTube lead system so every video turns into a lead collecting machine. See you over there.